The owner of a domesticated animal like a dog has a duty to supervise that animal and control that dog to the best of their ability. Because you can have a dog, let's say like a pit bull, and I've had a lot of people say, well, that pit bull was like a baby. It never hurt anybody until that one time whenever it took a chunk out of a child's face. So as an owner, you're required under the law to maintain your premises in a safe and reasonable manner. If you've got a particularly aggressive type of a dog, such as a German Shepherd or a Pit Bull or a Doberman or any of the other breeds that have been used as typical watchdogs, you have a greater duty to harbor that dog in such a way that the dog doesn't get loose and doesn't bite people who are legally allowed to be on the premises. We've had a number of clients who've come in, and more often than not, it's a parent of a child, and they want to make sure that their child is taken care of, not only the immediate medical, but whatever future holds for them because of this vicious dog attack or this bite. But unfortunately, sometimes it may be at a relative's home, or it could be at their neighbor's home, or it could be at the babysitter. And so we get questions all the time. I want to protect my child, I want to make this claim, but this is an awkward situation because it's a friend or it's a relative who owned the dog. And what I always tell clients is that the claim is being pursued against that person because it was their negligence that caused this to happen. It was the negligent supervision of this animal. But it's not that person who's actually paying for the claim. It's that person's homeowner's insurance company that actually the claim is submitted against. That usually takes care of the issue where someone says, well, I don't want to sue my friend, or I don't want this to come out of his pocket or her pocket. But it's homeowners insurance companies, or if it's a person who doesn't own the home but rents it, there's usually renter's coverage. And either way, it covers that type of a liability situation. Over the last 30 years, I have handled probably 200 dog attack cases, and all dog attack cases are not the same. I mean, you have to look into what that dog's past was. You have to look into the circumstances surrounding the attack that occurred in any given situation. So having some experience in handling dog attack cases or dog bite cases is crucial, because that type of information is available out there, but you have to know where to get it. And the type of information I'm talking about is the type of information about that dog's prior attacks, because it definitely helps the case if you can show that that dog had bitten someone in the past. And those records are available, but you usually have to get a private investigator to go find those records.